Hello students, nice to see you again. This video, as stated here in the objective that we wanted to achieve is to enable all of us will able to find the area of a triangle when we are facing a triangle that is not a right angle triangle and we do not know the height. All right, so let's start our journey and we will show you you were able to do this without much difficulties. Let's buckle our seatbelt and let's launch. But I have drawn here a triangle. Obviously, this is not a right angle triangle. And the side of AC is given to us the length. So we know the side length of AC, 120 meter, and we also know the length of BC, which is 80 meter given to us. And another information that was given to us is the angle ACB was given to us at 16. But now we have a difficulty, right? We have a difficulty if we were to start from something that was familiar from us. That is, the area of a triangle is half times base times height. Well, but if you look at the diagram, we do not know the height. Well, so what are we going to do? Okay, so now before we go on and stress out ourselves, let's proceed. Okay, we're going to look at the effort. How can we use another part of the knowledge of trigonometry, which is SOHCAHTOA, and to find the height of H. Okay, if you're not familiar with SOHCAHTOA, don't worry, just leave a comment there and I will look into it. I will come out with the next teaching video on SOHCAHTOA. And those of you who are already familiar, let's begin. Okay, from the diagram, we know that the height, the one that we are interested to look out for, because we need to use that in the formula, half times base times height. And if we go back to our SOHCAHTOA, we know that with reference to angle 60, the height is actually the opposite. And then the BC side is actually hypotenuse. So from then, we know that with the right angle, we will able to put this value into sine, which is, we're going to get over here, sine 60 equals to opposite over hypotenuse. And with one single step of changing the subject, making H the subject, we know that height can be defined as 80 times sine 60. Okay, then let's substitute this newly found height into our familiar formula, which is area of triangle, half times base times height. Now, once you're going to put in there, and this is what we find. But the area of triangle will equals to, we know that AC, which is our base, so we substitute that as 120, our base. Now our height is no longer a mystery. We have used the SOHCAHTOA and defined the height as 80 sine C. Then when we put into that, we will find easily with a punch of calculators, you're able to get the answer. Okay, so now let's put all of this info into a simple formula. Here we go. If we look back of this triangle, yes, we know that we have half times base. Obviously, AC is the base, and the height has now been defined as 80 times sine 60. But as we go back, in order to put into formula, let's recognize what each of these are. Well, this is not cm, this is supposed to be in meter. All right, now to recognize the side, well, this side is in opposite to angle A, so that is how we name this side as side A. And then this is angle B, and the opposite of it, we call them side B. All right, let's put in a little highlight to help you to see them easier. This is side B, this is side A. Okay, now obviously these are all the information we require to find the area. Therefore, let's put that into the our calculation previously. Half the base, we have substitute that. So the base is actually called B, side B. And then the 80 in a formula, we can call them as side A. And then the angle 60 is actually angle C. All right. Now in summarized format, here we go. Area of a triangle is now defined as half times A times B times sine C. All right. So now you have managed to arrive in a formula to find the area of triangle even when you do not know the height, when you are confronted with a triangle which is not right angle. Okay, now here's the trick. To put all the formula into the simplest form, you were able to use as long as in any given triangle, you know the side of the two sides that sandwich the angle. As long as you know this property, and you will have enough information to execute the formula and easily find the triangle area. See, even in this orientation, as long as you know this, and you're given this angle, you are able to use A, B, sine C. And here, as long as you know sine this angle, you can take a sine of this angle, A and B. All right, here, that is all that you need. Well, let's get some practice. Okay, and here we go. Practice number 1. I've given the triangle here. Find the area of triangle PQR. Okay. Well, let's give you a little hint. The angle given to you, yes, you know this. Do you know the sides that sandwich the angle? Yes. Why not you pause the video for a while and give it a try. Here we go. Now in the solution, let's check it out. Here we go. I put out here the subject of area of triangle PQR. Here's the formula. Half AB sine C. Now what is A and what is B? Easily, A and B are just the two sides that sandwich the angle. All right, so we know that this is either one, as this could be the A, and then this could be the B, and then with the angle that sandwiched it, then you put that into your formula, substitute accordingly. That's how you get it. Okay, let's go on for one more practice. Here we go. Practice number 2. This is an triangle of ABC. given to you those information, AB 150 cm, BC 100 cm. Find the area of triangle ABC. Pause the video and give it a try. Okay, this is the solution. The area of triangle ABC, formula, half AB sine C. What is A and what is B? AB are the two sides that sandwich the angle. Here we go. If you look at the triangle given to you, you have triangle here, 30, and you know the two sides that sandwich the triangle. Yep. So A, B, and sine C. Again, with a few punch on your calculator, I believe you have managed to get the answer. Let's go for one final try. Before we end the video, practice 3. Triangle STU. With ST given to you, and SU was given to you, 45 centimeter, 90 centimeter respectively, find the area of triangle STU. Pause the video, give it a try, and see you again soon after you got your solution. Here we go. This is the solution. Coming back to the formula, half AB sine C. Yes, if you go back to your diagram, you know that you have the angle. And do you have the side that sandwich the angle? Yes, you have both sides that sandwich the angle. And here we go, just with a few stroke of substitution. A, B, so your 90, just put in here your 90, A, and then your B, and then finally your angle, the angle that was sandwiched in between the two sides. And with a few punch of calculator again, I'm sure you arrive at the answer without much difficulty. All right, so that's all that you require when you're confronted with a triangle that is not right angle, that you do not have the height given to you, but as long as, here's the trick, as long as you know, let's go back to the trick, as long as you have the two sides and the sandwiched or subtended angle, you were able to put that into one simple formula where area of the triangle equals to half AB sine C. And the last reminder, A can be one of the side, B is another side, and C is the angle that is sandwiched in between. All right, I hope you enjoy the lesson. Go on and explore more, and I will see you soon in the next lesson. Happy learning. Bye-bye.